How to scale image texture in Blender without deforming. Let's say that we need to make this dirt block larger on the x-axis. If you go to edit mode and move a face this way, you can see that the image texture deforms. This happens because the shape of the face is getting stretched on the 3D viewport, but the face on the UV maps of the texture image is staying the same form and shape. To fix this, what we're going to do is go to edit mode, then we click on tool, on options, transform, and we're going to check this box that says correct face attributes. Now, if I stretch this face on the x-axis, you can see that we get the result we're looking for. This happens because now the face on the 3D viewport is going to be stretched and also is going to be stretched on the UV maps, as you can see. Here we have a rectangle, and over here we also have a rectangle and not a square anymore. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. Bye.